Every morning, across the planet, more than 1 billion people start their day with the same ritual, a simple, quiet peel. No wrapper, no barcode, no processing plant. Just a fruit so perfectly designed that nature seems to have built it with human hands in mind. But what if this humble yellow fruit was smarter than we ever realized? What if, hidden beneath that familiar peel, lies a blueprint of survival, intelligence, and evolution, a fruit engineered by nature to outthink hunger itself? This is the untold story of the banana, the world's smartest fruit. Long before the pyramids were built, before humans learned to forge bronze, there were bananas. Deep in the misty valleys of Papua New Guinea, nearly 7,000 years ago, early farmers stumbled upon a wild, inedible plant. Its fruit was filled with hard seeds, more stone than substance. Yet, generation after generation, humans nurtured it, crossbred it, and gradually transformed it into the soft, sweet fruit we know today. By 500 BC, bananas had traveled through India and Southeast Asia, carried by monks, merchants, and migrants. Arab traders brought them across the Indian Ocean, Africans cultivated them along the Nile. When explorers from Europe set sail, they carried banana shoots to the Americas, and within centuries, the fruit had conquered the planet. Few foods have spread as far or as fast as the banana. It was a biological revolution, one peel at a time. Take a closer look. The banana is a masterpiece of engineering. Its curved shape fits the human hand perfectly. Its peel opens effortlessly, revealing a sterile, ready-to-eat interior, no cooking, no washing, no waste. Inside that soft yellow flesh lies a scientific symphony. Bananas are built from 3 natural sugars, glucose, fructose, and sucrose, balanced with soluble fiber. That combination makes it one of the few foods that can deliver instant energy and sustained fuel at the same time. That's why athletes reach for it before a race. It's a bioengineered energy pack straight from the soil. But there's more. Bananas contain tryptophan, an amino acid that helps the brain produce serotonin, our happiness hormone. That's right, a banana doesn't just feed your body, it can influence your mood. When you bite into one, your brain literally receives a wave of calm chemistry. Bananas are a brain food. Rich in vitamin B6, they play a vital role in the creation of neurotransmitters, the messages that help your brain focus, remember, and react. Studies have shown that people who consume bananas regularly tend to have more stable energy levels and improved concentration. That's not marketing, that's neurochemistry. In some cultures, students are advised to eat a banana before exams. It's not superstition, the potassium and magnesium inside support nerve function and prevent fatigue. A single banana holds roughly 450 milligrams of potassium, enough to keep your neurons firing smoothly. And while you think of it as just a snack, your brain thinks of it as an upgrade. The story of the banana isn't just biological, it's economic, political, and deeply human. By the early 20th century, this fruit had become a symbol of globalization. Companies like United Fruit built empires on its trade, shaping entire nations. Banana ships connected tropical farms to the breakfast tables of New York and London. Today, more than 100 billion bananas are eaten every year, generating tens of billions of dollars in trade. For countries like Ecuador, Costa Rica, and the Philippines, it's a lifeline. Millions of workers depend on this single crop. But behind the sweetness lies struggle, low wages, fragile ecosystems, and the shadow of disease threatening entire harvests. In ancient Ayurveda, bananas were more than food, they were medicine. Rich in potassium, they help stabilize blood pressure and balance the body's electrolytes. Their natural antacids soothe ulcers and reduce heartburn. Even the peel hides secrets. Rubbed gently on the skin, it releases lutein and enzymes that reduce inflammation. Some cultures use banana peel to polish leather, others to whiten teeth. Every part of this fruit has a purpose, a function, a hidden gift. Yet, the banana's greatest strength, its uniformity, is also its curse. The Cavendish banana, the type most of us eat, is genetically identical across the world. That means a single disease can wipe out entire plantations. It's already happened once. In the 1950s, the Gros Michel variety vanished, destroyed by Panama disease. Today, a new strain, TR4, threatens to do the same. It's spreading silently through Asia, Africa, and Latin America, unstoppable by conventional means. If nothing changes, the banana as we know it could disappear within decades. But hope grows in every lab. Geneticists are developing disease-resistant hybrids, blending wild species with the Cavendish. Some experiments even use CRISPR technology to edit the banana's genes for immunity. Others explore sustainability, turning banana waste into fiber for paper and textiles. Bananas are even used to make bioplastics and fuel. The smart fruit of the past is evolving again, smarter, stronger, and greener. So, the next time you hold a banana, look beyond the peel. You're holding a symbol of history, chemistry, and survival, a silent genius grown by nature itself. The banana isn't just food. It's proof that intelligence comes in many forms, and sometimes, it grows on trees.